Hello, everyone. My name's Huong. Welcome to Miss Huong English class. Today, I am going to teach you some English words about the parts of body. Let's start with the parts of the face. These are eyes. An eye. Eyes. Now you say, an eye. Eyes. Great job. This is a nose. A nose. Now you say, a nose. Perfect. Next, this is a mouth. A mouth. Let's say it together. A mouth. Wonderful. This is a chin. A chin. Say it with me. A chin. Excellent. These are ears.
An ear. Ears.
Now you say,
An ear. Ears.
you're doing great. This is hair.
Hair.
Say it with me.
Hair.
Now, this is a forehead. A forehead. Let's say it together. A forehead. This is a face. A face. Now you say, a face. Finally, this is a head. A head. Say it with me. A head. Awesome job. Now, let's learn the parts of the body. A shoulder. Shoulders. Now you say, shoulder. Shoulders. Great. These are arms. An arm. Arms. Let's say it together. An arm. Arms. These are hands.
A hand. Hands.
Now, you say,
A hand. Hands.
perfect. These are legs. A leg. Legs. Say it with me. A leg. Legs. These are knees.
A knee. Knees.
Now you say,
A knee. Knees.
these are feet.
A foot. Feet.
Say it with me.
A foot. Feet.
These are toes.
A toe. Toes.
Let's say it together.
A toe. Toes.
You're all doing so well. Now, let's review the face parts. Say again. An eye. An eye. Eyes. Eyes. A nose. A nose. A mouth. A mouth. A chin. A chin.
An ear. An ear. Ears. Ears. Hair. Hair.
A forehead. A forehead. A face. A face. A head. A head. Great job. Now, let's review the body parts. A shoulder. A shoulder. Shoulders. Shoulders. An arm. An arm. Arms. Arms.
A hand. A hand. Hands. Hands.
A leg. A leg. Legs. Legs.
A knee. A knee. Knees. Knees. A foot. A foot. Feet. Feet. A toe. A toe. Toes. Toes.
Yeah, you all did amazing. See you next time. Goodbye.